And now inside Android Studio, we can create a new Flutter project, and then we can also run this project inside Android and iOS. So let's start by creating a new Flutter project. So click on this new Flutter project button. And here in the side pane, you need to select Flutter because we want to create a new Flutter project. Then click next. And here you need to assign a name to your project. Like I will gonna name it as first app. And then you can select your project location here. So by default the studio project folder will be selected and it is created by Android Studio. And then we got the language selection here. So we will gonna use Kotlin for Android and Swift for iOS. And after doing that, you can select the platforms. Like if you want to build this application only for Android and iOS, then you can uncheck this Linux, Mac OS, Web and Windows. And if you want to build it for all of these platforms, then keep them selected and click on this create button so that our new Flutter project will be created. And there you can see our new Flutter project is created, and as it's our first project, so it will gonna download few files. So let's wait for these files or packages to be downloaded. So now the files are downloaded and our Flutter project is ready. So when we create a new Flutter project, by default it provides us a counter application. So now firstly we are going to install this counter application inside an Android device or inside an Android emulator. And then we are also going to install it inside an iOS simulator. So firstly, we are going to install the starter application inside an iOS simulator, and then we are also going to install it inside an Android emulator. So to open an Android simulator here, you can click on this drop down and you will see this option open iOS simulator. So just click on it and it will gonna launch this simulator here. So there you can see a simulator or a clone for iPhone 14 Pro Max is opened. And it will gonna take few seconds and then it will be ready. And after that we are going to install the starter application inside this iOS simulator. And there you can see the iOS simulator is ready. And now to install our application on this iOS simulator, what we can do is to select it here in this drop down, and there you can see it is already selected. So after selecting it, click on this run main ... and our application will be installed inside this iOS simulator in few seconds. And there you can see our application is installed inside this iOS simulator. So this is the default counter application provided by Flutter. And here when you will click on this button, this count will gonna increase. So now we have successfully set up Flutter in Mac OS. And then we have also created a new Flutter project. And we are able to install this Flutter project inside an iOS simulator. And now the next step is installing this starter application inside an Android emulator.